Alright, so at the moment we can run and toggle working, toggle running, and also crouch. So but we haven't implemented sprinting yet, but we have set up all the required components in the animator. So yeah, so we have the sprinting part as well here. This is sprinting and this is running, this is idle, this is walking. Okay, so now let's see how to implement sprint part. So first I'll open my code. Okay, so in the character I'll implement a method just like this toggle run and toggle crouching. I'll copy and then call it toggle sprint. So yeah, get the current movement mode, and if the current movement mode is not crouching, not sprinting, I'll set the movement mode to sprinting, and I'll set the movement mode in the character animation also to sprinting. If I disable that, I'll set it to working. Yeah, same thing. So alright, now let's take a look at the character animation set movement mode to see if I do something about sprinting. Okay, when I get sprinting, I set the moment state to 4. Okay, what happens if I set the moment state to 4? This would take place if the moment state is 0. So sprinting also is inside this working animation, so therefore I'll add another condition. If the moment state is, it could be either walking or either running. Yeah, I'll set this to 0. Problem solved. So I don't need another condition here. Right, now in the player input, so this sprinting is not something that we can toggle. That's not the way I wish to implement it. So I should keep sprinting as long as I keep the left shift key down. Once I release it, I should go back to running. So input get key down, key code left shift, character toggle sprint. So similarly, now this is to check if the key, this is to detect when I press the key, and again this time get key up. So this time I should go back to running. So instead of call it toggle sprint, I'll call wait. Yeah, I think we need to add another parameter here. Like this. So if this is true. If the enable is true, I'll set this, otherwise I'll set it back to working. I think I should set it back to running, not working. Yeah, so there are 4. Instead of working, I'll give here a run, because usually after sprinting I should go back to running, not working. Oh, I changed the different row method. And here now I'll give true, because when I once press the left shift I should go to sprinting. When I release the left shift I should stop sprinting, so I should give false. Alright, shall we check what happens in the game? Okay, now I'm running, and if I press shift you can see my speed is at 10 now. So if I press shift it increased to 13. Okay, that means I have to do some modifications to our blend tree. This should increase from 0 to 14. Yeah, wait, what's the speeds again? Walking is 5, running is 10, crouching is 5. Yeah, sprinting is 14. Why it's 14? Let's set it to 15. Okay, so that I can put 15 here. Cool. Now when I'm running it's when I'm walking it's here, when I'm running it's 10. Alright, that's better. Now this is running, so I'll press shift now and you can see I'm sprinting, and if I release shift you can see I go back to running and sprinting. Alright, so that's what I wanted to do in this episode, so I'll stop it at this point. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link could be in the description below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.